gotta load it up first.
Yeah, I know.
Definitely not shooting these hollows.
What happened?
This shit feel weird.
I should have put long sleeves on.
Yeah, that's it.
Bring it in.
Like, you really gotta take your time with that shit for real.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that shit. You really gotta take your time. If you, like, bro, look at what I was aiming for too.
But you hit that shit up.
Boy, you seen me, boy. I was really ain't getting up there. You feel me? I just gotta keep coming. That shit gonna get good.
I can really. Got that. Let's see. That dot on your ass. Let's see how I get. Look at that cocky. Fuck no. Look at that cocky. 50 on it.
Nah, he wanna shoot the 50 so bad.
You see the dot?
Nah, I can't see it.
I ain't feel it though.
Wait, don't lean back.
Yeah.
Nigga, aim up at the chest.
It's that shit. Not affecting. That's why
Yeah, take your time.
See, I only put a couple in that shit. I don't think
Look.
that shit.
Hold on, look. This is what I mean when you take your time. Look, watch this. I'm gonna try to hit the head.
One shot.
One shot.
You
See
hit
that
it?
shit?
Oh. So that shit.
Yeah,
That shit,
take-
you think it's accurate though? The dot?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You just gotta take your time. Don't lean back. Don't lean back. Aim at the head. Let's see if you can hit it.
It's like,
It is, bro. I'm telling you, just take your time.
It's like, what the fuck?
Bro, that first shot, look what I hit.
Closer, man.
You gotta go closer. He a rookie.
Let me start off.
He a rookie.
Still ain't no Ricky. I just don't get it. Hold on, man.
Nah, hell no, hell no.
Wait, nah, cause I wanna just.
That's too close.
Wait, nah. This shit fucked up, bro.
Right there, right there.
This shit fucked up.
Yeah, I know it is. Right there.
Wait, no, a little bit closer, man.
Hell no, that's too close.
Why?
Bro, that 5 yards at least.
I know, I wanna see. Oh, behind that.
No, right on the line. This shit is retarded. Nigga, it's not me. Look, it's still moving. This shit retarded.
Cause I just wanna get it close, bro.
Why is it doing that shit? This shit dumb as fuck. They would put it. Look, it's still going back. What the fuck? This shit is so dumb. Right there, right there.
Wait,
Wait, hold on.
right there. You just wanna see me hit it up close, though, man.
This nigga suck.
Let me see. This is gonna show you if it's accurate, man.
Where you hit it at? I don't even know where you hit it at. Let me go. Let me show you how.
I think it was that, but you see at the bottom. What the?
We gonna see in a video.
Yo, that's fucking crazy, bro.
Here.
You said, did I what?
See where is that?
Oh yeah, I got
Over
it.
there. Tell me if I'm not hitting.
I don't think so.
I'm gonna hit the bottom. I am hitting it. Hit the bottom. That's what I'm trying to hit.
The bottom? Nah, I didn't see it.
Look at the bottom. I'm gonna hit the bottom.
Oh yeah.
I'm hitting it though. You feel me?
Yeah, you hit it. You hit that a couple times. At first I didn't see it.
You customized your shit?
Yeah, I had a lot of shit on it.
Yeah, that shit go hard. Oh, I can tell. Look at the muzzle on that shit.
Yeah.
Yo. Hey, bro, what the?
Some more bullets.
Yo,
It was a 5.56. Yeah.
that shit crazy as all them. That
Oh
shit.
yeah. Barrel some. That's just unburnt. It's 5.56. Another one like this 7.62.
Huh?
I'm gonna buy another one like this, but it's gonna be 7.62.
Yeah,
Like this.
yeah.
What's your YouTube?
Laylo Ryan.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe and all that.
All right. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I want to see you hit. I want to see you hit that shit again. That shit was fucking crazy.
Oh, yeah, I got you. Yeah, this bit reliable though. This bit don't jam or nothing. Bit don't ever jam.
I seen you hit that shit. I was like, what the? I had to really stand back. I seen all the sparks coming and shit. I'm like, oh shit.
Like you said, they got it here.
Bro, this shit crazy as bro. Shit.
Fireball.
No, it's called a cookie cutter.
Shit.
God damn.
Yeah, that bit crazy. That cookie cutter.
Boss.
Yeah, that shit ain't no joke. Yeah, see how fast I can shoot this bit. I can't do it like our last time.
Yeah.
Cause I still gotta get back used to
Nah,
it.
that shit.
You remember how it was when I was at New Year?
New Year. Oh, yeah, I think
Yeah,
I
I
heard
can't-
that bitch still.
Nah, that shit is quick though. I seen it.
Oh yeah. But I can't like on New Year that bill sound like a switch. I don't know what it was.
Yeah.
Probably because I had that just cleaned it. I don't know. But I can say this shoot a little bit more smoother than that.
Yeah.
That one like rough. That shit like, like you feel the heat. That shit crazy.
Yeah.
You feel the spark. This shit you just see like a nice little flame.
Yeah. Bro, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Stay right here. Stay right here. That shit crazy. That shit is.